Today is a celebration delivered by Sarpa, the air ambulance aircraft, to Fundación María Dal. In our journey over the course of many years together, we have become more than friends. Our collaboration is based on quality of care and professionalism, warmth and empathy for our team, the patient and the families. We are a family bound by the shared joy providing for our patient and improved outlook and quality of life during a moment of great stress. Sarpa is excited and grateful for the trust Fundación María Dal and CJCN have placed in us in providing this service. Here is the journey we have taken and many more beautiful moments ahead. Thank you for being and cherished part of this extraordinary air ambulance service. Ahora somos parte de la familia FEM. Estaremos compartiendo con todos ustedes los retos y los beneficios que tiene la ambulancia aérea para la población, para el Caribe y para cada uno de los pacientes de la zona. Gracias.